Nothing is more frustrating than having a chimney leak and having no idea where it can come from. My name's Eric. I'm the owner of Warrington Chimney and Fireplace, and today we're going to discuss the 4 major reasons why water is likely seeping into your fireplace or the walls and structure around your chimney. These are the key issues that most often lead to leaks, and understanding them is crucial. And as an added bonus, I'll even do my best to give you a basic range of what these repairs may cost. So let's dive right into the first potential reason why your chimney is leaking, which is chimney cap and crown issues. Starting with the basics, the chimney cap serves as the first line of defense against rain and debris. A missing or damaged chimney cap is a straightforward fix, but can lead to significant water intrusion if overlooked. Similarly, the chimney crown, essentially the lid atop your chimney, can develop cracks over time. These cracks, while seemingly minor, can allow water to seep in, making them a priority for early intervention. Repairs might range from a simple sealant application to more extensive crown rebuilding. Depending on the damage or extent, depends on if you need a sealant or a full rebuild. The cost of repairs for chimney caps and crowns can vary widely, starting from as low as $350 for tasks like replacing a chimney cap or applying sealant to the crown. More expensive repairs, however, such as rebuilding the entire damaged crown or replacing a large or uniquely designed chimney cap, can escalate into the thousands. Now on to our second potential reason why your chimney is leaking. This is looking at the point to which the chimney and roof intersect. Flashing issues are notorious for allowing water to breach into the home's interior. Flashing is the material that seals the gap between your chimney and the roof of your house. It's a critical barrier against water intrusion. However, if the flashing is damaged, improperly installed, or wears out over time, it can fail to keep water out. This leads to leaks that might seem to originate from the chimney, but are actually coming through this vulnerable intersection. Flashing repair or replacement is more involved than cap or crown fixes, but is critical to ensuring a watertight seal at this vulnerable junction. The cost range for repairing chimney flashing can vary significantly based on several factors, including the size of the chimney, the materials used, and the complexity of the job. For basic repairs and resealing of the flashing, you can expect costs to range from $200 to $500 on average. However, for larger or more complex chimneys, repair costs could exceed $2,000. Let's move on to the number 3 potential reason why your chimney is leaking, which is mortar joint deterioration. The mortar joints between the chimney bricks can erode over time, creating pathways for water entry. Addressing this involves tuck pointing, where old mortar is removed and replaced with new. This is a process that requires quite a bit of skilled craftsmanship to restore structural integrity and ensure waterproofing. If joints are beginning to deteriorate on your masonry chimney, we generally recommend grinding out and repointing all the joints for not only aesthetic purposes, but also to ensure a 100% seal against water intrusion. As an added layer of defense, it is also recommended to use a water repellent on the brick chimney as well. At Warrington Chimney and Fireplace, we use Chimsaver, which is a water repellent that is a proprietary modified polysiloxane-based product specifically designed to protect chimneys from water. Unlike other water repellents that can trap moisture inside, Chimsaver is 100% vapor permeable, ensuring that water vapors can still pass through the masonry without causing damage. This characteristic is crucial because it prevents the accumulation of moisture within the chimney, which can lead to spalling, deterioration, and other water-related damages. The cost of repointing a whole chimney can be large. For a small chimney that is maybe only roof line up, you're generally looking at $1,000 to $2,000. For large ground-up repointing projects, you could be looking at $4,000 to even $10,000 or more. There are so many factors that go into repointing a full chimney, so if you are told by a professional that this work needs to be done to waterproof your chimney, I strongly suggest you get multiple estimates to ensure this would be the solution. Let's move on to our 4th and final major potential reason why your chimney could be leaking, which is condensation. So this is a less obvious but equally problematic source of leaking, which is found particularly in chimneys serving gas or oil appliances, most frequently a gas furnace venting into a stainless steel or aluminum lining system. If the liner is incorrectly sized for the furnace appliance, it can cause condensation buildup. This can drip around the areas of the lining or even directly into the furnace. Replacing a damaged lining system can cost anywhere from $1,600 all the way up to $4,500 or more. This takes into account a host of different factors, including the length of the run, diameter, size of the liner, and access to the roof, as well as ease of installation. As we said before, it is always recommended that you are provided multiple estimates if this has been brought up as a cause for concern. And lastly, here are some honorable mentions for less common reasons for water leaks: cracked chimney flue, obstruction or blockages, J-channel issues, foundation problems, and poor chimney and roof integration. Keep in mind that water takes deceptive paths. It's crucial to understand that water will exploit any vulnerability in its quest to move downward, making the distinction between chimney and roof leaks particularly challenging. A comprehensive evaluation by a professional can discern the true source, guiding effective repairs and preventing misdirected efforts that fail to address the underlying issue. Maintaining the structural integrity and functionality of your chimney requires a proactive approach to identifying and addressing leaks from the simplest to the most complex. Regular inspections by a qualified professional can prevent significant damage, ensuring your chimney remains a source of comfort rather than concern. In the realm of home maintenance, the adage, "an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure," holds particularly true, underscoring the value of timely interventions in preserving the longevity and safety of your chimney system. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video informative or helpful in any way, please like or subscribe to our channel. Thanks again.